travel, but the song the same. Chains may try to bind us, lies may cloud the day, but the fire within us never fades away. One fire, one voice, let the people sing from the roots of suffering. Let the freedom ring. Hand in hand we rise, no matter race or land. One love, one light, together we stand. Hear the lion roaring through the concrete streets, justice in his footsteps, truth in every beat. Babylon may tremble when the righteous call, from the smallest whisper to the loudest war. Carry on the message like a burning torch. Hope is in the heart, not a palace porch. From trench town echoes to the mountain high, songs of liberation never truly die. One fire, one voice, let the people sing from the roots of suffering. Let the freedom ring. Hand in hand we rise, no in a race for land. One love, one light, together we stand. Oh, feel the rhythm in your soul tonight. Oh, let it guide you to the light. No more change, no more fear inside. Stand up strong, let your spirit rise. Through the smoke of trials and the dust of tears, we've been holding faith through the darkest years. Now the dawn is breaking, hear the trumpet sound. Truth is like a river flowing all around. So we sing together, hearts forever free, in the name of love and humanity. One fire burning, never torn apart. A million voices, but one